Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Honda Civic software. First, you'll want to check your current software version through your car's settings menu. It's also crucial to ensure your vehicle's battery has enough charge to prevent interruptions. Finally, prepare a USB drive formatted to FAT32 with at least 8 GB of free space for the update files. Next, head to the official Honda support website to find the latest software update for your specific Civic model. You might need to first insert your USB into the car to get vehicle data, then use that on the website to download the correct files. Once downloaded, carefully copy these update files onto your FAT32 formatted USB drive. With the update files on your USB, insert the drive into your Civic's USB data port. On your car's display audio screen, navigate to System Updates and select the Via USB option. The system will then guide you through the installation process with clear on-screen prompts. Remember not to operate the display audio during this time. After the installation, confirm the software update was successful by checking your system settings. If you encounter any minor issues, a simple restart of your infotainment system can often resolve them. For more great tips and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below, along with other exclusive deals. Enjoy your updated Civic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.